Quest is the customer research app that helps you collect feedback directly from your storefront. To get started, install the Quest app. Follow the Shopify flow to approve the installation. When you open the app for the first time, you'll see the onboarding screen. Click Enable in Theme Editor to activate Quest on your storefront. In the Theme Editor, turn on the Quest embed block and click Save. The app is now live and ready to collect feedback. Back in the dashboard, you'll find an overview of your recent studies, responses, and performance metrics. Let's create a new study. Click New Study to get started. You can start from scratch or choose one of our ready-made templates, like NPS, product satisfaction, or customer journey. Next, set a title for your study, add optional notes, and configure general settings. Add flexible blocks like multiple choice, opinion scale, yes or no, and open questions. Customize each block's content, options, and behavior. Easily organize your survey by dragging and reordering the blocks. Create the perfect flow to match your customer journey. Check the live preview to see exactly how your survey will look on your storefront. When you're ready, click Save and then Publish. Your survey is now live and visible to your customers. Track responses in real time. Pause, resume, or end your study anytime with full control at your fingertips. Get detailed reports for every screen in question. See how customers interact with each step and turn feedback into decisions instantly. Manage all your studies in one place. Use filters to quickly find active, paused, ended, or archived studies, keeping everything organized and easy to access. Quest makes customer research simple, fast, and powerful. Install Quest today and start turning feedback into growth.